Hello and good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are going to do a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1979 Chrysler 300. Now, this car is a pretty rare car. 360 engine under the hood, automatic transmission, has power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. It also has factory T-tops, which you don't see a lot of these cars, and this particular one is an all original, unrestored, I say unrestored, unmolested probably, Chrysler 300, 1979. 45,000 original miles on this car, original paint in the jams, all original interior. It's got air, tilt, cruise. Oh, okay, hold on. It's got air and tilt, AM, FM, cassette. It does not have cruise. Got a Cobra 29 XLR in it with the antenna on the back. Pretty neat car. Horn works. You can see the door panels. Yes, they are a little faded. The plastic's a little faded on the door panels on both front doors. Yeah, and every once in a while you'll hear the starter kick out, so I don't know, I think that's kind of a Chrysler thing. Wipers work, horn works, lights work, fan works. Radio works. Nice little center console with a little cubby there. Even your glove box light works. That I see a few little rock chips, little chip right here. You know, I mean, it's got a couple little small little rock chips just from wear and tear. The chrome and stainless and bright work on the car is in nice shape. You can see it's got a little small thing right here. You got it right there. But I'm telling you, a really solid Chrysler 300. You can check out the bottoms of the doors. That's just how nice the old car is, you know. Back seat's in nice shape. All the interior lights work. Package tray, sail panels, headliner, T-tops. I washed this car the other day and didn't have any water inside of it, so I don't think the T-tops leak. BF Goodrich all-terrain radio TAs. Raised white letters on it. It's got the factory Chrysler 300 wheels. Same way with that side. Just a nice, clean old car. Door gaps, panel fitment is very nice. All four headlights work. Turn signals work. The AC is not cold. It seems like it's cool, but it's not cold, so. why the wiper stopped stopped in that spot. I might have to look into that. I tried getting them to stop down there, but they don't want to. They want to stop right there for some reason. I have to clock that, make that work like it's supposed to. You know, they're old cars, that happens. I'm not hiding anything, it's just what it is. We'll get her fixed. Brakes work good. Yeah, the air is cool, like the compressor is kicked, but it's just not cold. But it is hotter than blue blazes out already today. It wouldn't be for that little bit of breeze, it'd be real miserable right now. It's supposed to be high like 94 today, I think, so it's very humid. I'm not going to price this car for a lot of money. I'm going to price this car at $19,900, 45,000 mile Chrysler 300, 360 automatic steering, brakes, air. Just a very, very nice, clean, original Survivor T-top car. I think that's a great price on this car. $19,900. Where are you going to go buy a car like this with T-tops and all the class for $19,900? I really appreciate everyone watching my videos. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com, KINION auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day. So give us a call and let's put this 79 Chrysler 300 in your garage. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hope you have a great afternoon. Beautiful day. I'll talk to you guys very soon. Thanks for watching.